Microsoft has begun automatically upgrading some users to the latest version of its Windows software, the firm has revealed. They will automatically downloading and begin to install Windows 10 to users of Windows 7 and 8. As we shared in late October on the Windows blog, we are committed to making it easy for our Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 customers to upgrade to Windows 10, Microsoft said. We updated the upgrade experience today to help our customers, who previously reserved their upgrade, schedule a time for their upgrade to take place. Our aspiration is for customers to choose Windows, and to love Windows, the firm said in a blog post announcing the change last year. Depending upon your Windows update settings, this may cause the upgrade process to automatically initiate on your device. Before the upgrade changes the OS of your device, you will be clearly prompted to choose whether or not to continue. And of course, if you choose to upgrade, our recommendation, then you will have 31 days to roll back to your previous Windows version if you don't love it. Microsoft is hoping Windows 10 will help it rebuild loyalty among users who are increasingly relying on tablets, smartphones and other devices. PC sales have been shrinking in recent years and that trend is likely to continue, according to a new forecast from International Data Corp. Analysts at IDC predicted that 2016 will mark the fifth consecutive year of declining PC sales worldwide. Computer makers are hoping to get a boost from consumer interest in Windows 10, which manufacturers are making available on new machines being sold this fall. But IDC noted in its report that Microsoft is also offering the new software as a free download for people who want to install it on their existing PCs. The free upgrades probably account for the bulk of the 75 million devices now using Windows 10, said analyst Patrick Moorhead of Moore Insights and Strategy, although he said more new models will likely be sold this fall. Windows 10, which is free when upgrading, had been installed on 75M computers by the end of August, accounting for 4.9% of desktop Internet users according to data from web analytics firm StatCounter. Windows 7 still held a 48.1% share of global Internet users. Some of the machines getting Windows 10 are quite old. Microsoft executive Yusuf Mehdi said in a Twitter post that, even some devices manufactured in 2007 have upgraded to Windows 10. Along with new features, the Redmond, Washington, software giant designed Windows 10 to fix some unpopular elements of Windows 8, the operating system's last version. It's intended to work on PCs, tablets, smartphones and other devices, although the company released it for PCs and tablets first. Windows 10, the biggest update Microsoft has made to its computer software, finally launched after a massive beta test program. The new software will be the first to work across all Windows-powered devices, from smartphones to tablets and desktop computers, as well as Microsoft's Xbox One games console. The firm is allowing some customers who pre-registered to get access before others. We have seen unprecedented demand for Windows 10, with reviews and customer feedback overwhelmingly positive around the globe. We are doing everything we can to upgrade the world to Windows 10 as quickly as possible over the coming days and weeks ahead. Microsoft is also introducing a new web browser, Edge, to replace Internet Explorer, while the firm's voice assistant Cortana will also move to desktop computers for the first time. The much-loved Start menu, which was removed in Windows 8 to much public outcry, is also making a return in the new software, as the US firm looks to modernize and appeal to a new range of customers. Millions of PC users will also be able to upgrade for free as Microsoft is making the update available at no extra cost to those who are already using Windows 7 or 8, though this offer will expire next year. The firm's chief Satya Nadella has said Microsoft wants to move from people needing Windows, to choosing Windows, to loving Windows. Windows users who have registered their interest will be notified once Windows 10 becomes available to them, with the rollout beginning in the early hours of Wednesday morning, and set to be staggered over the coming days. Windows 10 is coming to PCs and tablets first, but it's also designed to run phones, game consoles, and even holographic headsets. It has new features, a streamlined web browser called Edge and a desktop version of Cortana, the online assistant that is Microsoft's answer to Google Now and Apple's Siri. Still, the company insists Windows 10 will seem familiar to users of Windows 7, the 6-year-old operating system still running on most PCs. Microsoft and PC makers want to erase the memory of the last big update, 2012's Windows 8, which alienated many with its jarring, unwieldy design. Microsoft skipped the name Windows 9, as if to distance itself further from the last release. While many analysts believe Windows 8 made sagging PC sales even worse, it's unclear if Windows 10 will spur the industry back to growth. The company wants to get the new software on as many devices as possible to convince independent programmers that it's worth their time to build useful or entertaining apps for Windows 10 devices. Executives also believe that if people are exposed to the latest and best Windows, they're more likely to try other Microsoft products on PCs and mobile devices. CEO Satya Nadella says he wants to have 1 billion devices running Windows 10 in 3 years. Microsoft estimates there are 1.5 billion people who currently use some kind of Windows. Jeff Barney, who runs Toshiba's consumer PC business, said the new software is easier to use than Windows 8 and will complement hardware advances in Toshiba's newest machines. Although Barney isn't expecting a big rush to stores Wednesday, over time, I think we're going to see a positive trend in sales. Rather than charging them to upgrade, as Microsoft used to do, it's embracing the free download model pioneered by Apple and Google. Among those who downloaded the system at the earliest opportunity was Ian Fry, of Eastbourne, who tweeted, "Currently in the process of installing Windows 10 on my main computer at home. Cheeky early install." And Matt Harwood, of Hitchin, Hertfordshire, tweeted, "Installing Windows 10, it seems to be taking longer than Windows 7. Those who are not eligible for the free update will have to pay $99 for the home version of Windows 10, which will go on sale at the end of the month." Microsoft says there are currently 1.5 billion Windows users worldwide, but the software has come under increasing pressure in recent years from Apple's OS X, which runs on their range of Macintosh desk and laptops, and has seen sales steadily climb while the rest of the market, including Windows, has struggled in the age of mobile devices. Having also demonstrated how holographic computing can work with Windows 10 via the firm's HoloLens augmented reality headset, Microsoft is hoping to move back to the cutting edge of the technology market with its new release.